June, you were good to me. This month reminded me that life isn't just about chasing goals, it's also about celebrating the moments that matter most. Watching my daughter graduate was one of the proudest moments of my life. The first week of June was extremely busy. After their graduation party, getting ready for graduation, prom, it was a full full week, trust me, while I continued sharing the Caribbean recipes that bring us all together around the table. And I crossed a 6K milestone on Instagram. Thank you all so much. My husband and I took time to celebrate another year of marriage and create new memories together with a weekend trip at Niagara Falls. We stayed at the Tower Hotel. It was awesome. That was a view from our bedroom. Then we had dinner at STK. Won't you never tell me STK is so expensive? My goodness. We ended the morning or weekend trip with breakfast at IHOP. Then I had the opportunity of working with some amazing brands. This month, I was contacted by around 4 brands for brand deals and partnership. I was super excited. I could not believe it. I could not believe that Lagostina reached out to me to be a part of their 125 years celebrating Lagostina. So stay tuned for more on that. It was so much fun creating this video for them. And of course, the Roti Ministry was a highlight of the content for the month. Oh my goodness. I found out that now I have so many Trini cousins. Yes, so much Caribbean cousins, Trini cousins and Guyanese. We had our monthly VIP fish fry, then ended the month celebrating my 43rd birthday surrounded by my family, laughter, and gratitude. June wasn't perfect, but it was full of growth, full of memories, full of answered prayers. Thank you all for sharing the journey with me.